In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your Outlook. This is a quick and easy adjustment that allows you to personalize your email experience to better suit your preferences. Whether you want a color that is soothing to the eyes or one that energizes your workspace, changing this setting is a breeze. First, you'll want to head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once there, you should see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to begin logging into your account. After you've clicked sign in, enter your email and the corresponding password to access your personal or work email account. Make sure you've entered the correct details to avoid any sign-in issues. Now that you're logged in, look at the upper right hand corner of your Outlook page. You'll notice a settings icon that resembles a gear. Click on this icon to access the settings menu, where you'll have the opportunity to make various adjustments to your Outlook interface. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled General. This is the section of the settings that will allow you to make changes to the overall appearance of your Outlook. After selecting General, look for an option that says Appearance. Clicking here will take you to the part of the settings where you can choose exactly how you want your Outlook to look. Here comes the fun part. You'll see a variety of color options available for you to choose from. Go ahead and scroll through the colors until you find one that really speaks to your personal style or need. Whether it's a bold red, a calming blue, or perhaps a sleek black, selecting a color will automatically provide you with a preview of how it will look across your Outlook interface. Once you've found the color that's just right for you, be sure to save your choice. To do this, click on the Save button, which is usually located towards the bottom of the settings page. This crucial step will ensure that the color you selected is applied and kept in your settings for future sessions. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the color of your Outlook. Not only does this make your email environment more enjoyable, but it can also help improve your workflow by making your screen easier on the eyes. Enjoy your newly customized Outlook interface and feel free to change it up whenever you want a fresh new look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy customizing.